Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can view the pins somebody has saved on their Pinterest profile. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest tab on your device. Now tap on the search icon and search for the person whose saved pins you wanna see. Tap any of the pins from them and then select on the profile picture. Now, under the saved option, you can find the pins that the Pinterest user has saved. That's it. This is how you can view the saved pins from someone on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.